Good morning. It's my honor and privilege to welcome all of you to the 8th edition of the annual flagship Conference of Exchange for Media. It's an extension of Exchange for Media's philosophy of creating a dialogue amongst various stakeholders and finding answers and way forward to some of the market realities that face us. I would like to welcome special guests who come all the way to be part of the annual conclave. First, because these are guests in the real sense, I'd like to welcome Mr. Hernan Sanchez Niera, I hope I pronounce your name right, who's the CEO of Harvest Media Intelligence, who's here especially to be part of the Exchange for Media conclave. Thank you, sir, for being part of this, and I'd like you to give him a big round of applause. Welcome him. India is a lot about entrepreneurship, and I'd like to welcome an entrepreneur in the midst of us, Mr. Harkirat Singh, who's the man behind the Woodland brand. Thank you, Mr. Singh, for being part of our conference this year. We have amongst us Anita Nair, who's the CEO of Harvest Media in India. Thank you, Anita, for being part of the conference. We have Jasmine Sorabji. Jasmine is the CEO of OMD in India, and she's come from Mumbai to be making a presentation to you. Thank you, Jasmine, for being part of this. We also have Mr. Chitranjan Dar, the CEO of ITC Foods. He was in the lounge. I'm not sure he's come into the room. We have Mr. Gautaman, who's the head of Mindshare in South Asia. Definitely, I'd like to welcome Mr. Thierry Jadot, who's the EVP Emerging Markets and CEO of Starcom Media West Group. And we really look forward to your session, sir. Last but not the least, we have a man that most people in the media business don't seem to ignore for. And I had a lady sitting next to me, and Sam quietly sat to her, and she asked, so, who are you? And he said, Sam Balsara. She said, oh, you are Sam Balsara. So she suddenly saw a halo around Sam. Thank you for being part of this, Mr. Balsara. We have Shrikant Shastri, who's the country chair of Vivaki in India. Mr. Rajiv Verma, who's the CEO of Hindustan Times, and you don't see him much speaking on conferences. He's part of the conference. And last but not the least, we have Samir Suneja, the MD of Perfetti Van Melle. I welcome all the speakers to the conclave. It's an interesting time, and it's a time when, in the last 1 week, we've seen what's happened with the news of the world. The credibility of media, the ethics of media, the ethics of news gathering, the future of media companies, and most of you who are glued onto BBC and CNN would have noticed that Murdoch's bid for taking of Sky B has been referred to the Competitive Commission. Over the last 1 week, various Indian media owners have been saying, with the consolidation in the distribution space happening, there are groups that own front-end content, they own content production companies, they own distribution. So maybe there should be a Competition Commission of India looking at how such media conglomerates are operating in India, and the issue of cross-media holdings. We've also seen over the last 4 weeks, we've seen attacks on journalists, we've seen leading crime journalists in Mumbai being murdered. We still don't have a word on why and how it happened, but the fact is that media professionals, journalists and media organizations are under increasing fire to not do their job, to not be honest, and that's not necessarily in form of violence, sometimes in form of advertiser cutting of advertising, so on and so forth. Interestingly, the topic of this year's conclave is reshaping media priorities for the new marketing era. And the current issue of pitch, and we've revamped pitch, the current issue of pitch is marketing lessons from regional champions. And as Amit says, these are the new Nirmas. So we have an issue where the Indian consumer is very well versed and very comfortable with rising Indian brands, whether it's the V-John Group or Rupa or Wagh Bakri or Cremica, Priya Gold, and I can go on. So the number of Indian brands that are today taking on large, established, 80, 100-year-old MNC brands which have a brand architecture which is really solid is tremendous. So the theme of the conclave and the cover of the Pitch magazine in some way have a lot of similarity. And the latest issue of Impact, again as a cover, I was reading it, is about how media brands and how media organizations are trying to change their offerings, and not just their look, but their offerings, not just changing their brand identity, but changing the DNA of their content, doing an editorial-led brand change, doing an editorial-led makeover, whether it's a news brand or a non-news brand. So like all of you, I look forward to being in the audience, learning from the stalwarts, from the practitioners, from the entrepreneurs, going back hopefully a more knowledgeable person. And on the 15th, on Friday, we have the same conclave in Mumbai, and we have an equally impressive line of speakers. We have Mr. Nitin Paranjpe of Levers. We have the global CEO of Mindshare, Mr. Dominic Proctor. We have Mr. Mike Cooper, who's the CEO of PhD, which is part of the Omnicom Media Group, and many other speakers that I don't want to bore you with, but they are in the magazines. You'll find their names. And in the evening on 15th, we have the 11th anniversary dinner of Exchange for Media Conclave. And over the next few months, we are also rolling our event initiatives as per our events calendar. So on 27th August, Saturday, we have the 4th edition of the Indian News Broadcasting Awards in this hotel. So just want to tell you that on 1st August, you will see a new look exchangeformedia.com. I think we should have launched the new look exchangeformedia.com long time back, but you will see a refreshed exchangeformedia.com, absolutely international in the way content is navigated on it, integrated with social media and whatever you expect and more. So like you, I look forward to the Exchange for Media Conclave and the new exchangeformedia.com. Thank you for being here and have a great day. Thank you so much.